Morning guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. A customer came with a car complaining about misfiring. So in this case, as you can see, the engine is shaking so much. Yeah, the engine is not stable. It's running shaky, is dancing a lot. So in these cases, the two things involved, it can be a major thing or it can be a small thing. Once you get a misfire, the very first thing for you to do, you have to check your plugs. Plugs is the main thing that you have to check when the car is misfiring. Sometimes you end up spending a lot of money thinking like maybe your engine is finished or stuff like that, but most of the time it's all about the small things like plugs or something. But then the moment I just open the bonnet, I realize I pick up something already here. Rats is one of the wires that goes to cylinder number 2. As you can see, that wire here is being eaten by the rats. This wire and that wire is not there. So like I said, the first thing is always going to be the plugs. So on the plugs, we already find an electrical issue here, which the wires, one wire is gone. The rats eat it up. So I'm going to put this wire back. I'm gonna try to connect this wire back, and then we'll see if the car stops shaking and if the misfire is gonna go. In case it doesn't go, then I'm gonna completely open the plugs and check all the plugs. If it's not about the plugs, then we're gonna go to the next step. So as I said earlier, that our issue most definitely was the wire that was missing. So since I put the wire back, the misfire is gone. As you can see, the engine is running just fine. It's just a wire that was missing there on F. That's the engine. You can see the engine is no longer shaking like it was before. So that's how we deal with some of minor misfire on the engine. So we didn't have to go deeper to anything else, but just the moment I opened, I realized that one wire is missing, so there was a electrical issue. Straightforward. So like I said, if this wire wasn't working or if it didn't change anything, then we could go and check the plugs and all other kind of things. But yeah, so that's how you deal with small stuff like misfiring on this car. But like I said earlier, the main thing to check before anything else when the car is misfiring is the plugs. After the plugs, then you can go to other steps. But as time goes by, I'll explain to you guys what exactly way and way to touch when you're having a misfire. If everything on the plugs is okay, there's kind of few steps you can look at. If those steps doesn't work, then you must know that your head must have a problem. It's either the valves are being clogged up. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and send some likes. That will help the channel to grow. I really appreciate for the people who already watched the other video whereby I talk about the overheat, but I'm gonna still continue sharing with you guys on small stuff. Anyway, I didn't mention this is the Polo Vivo 2012, but mostly all the Polos are exactly the same. There's not much different when it comes to Polos. So yeah, thanks very much.